Maybe it's brewing.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll be right here eating if anybody wants to join us right here in the yard. High top.
Can someone bring my black butter jacket? If they come out.
High top.
Right here by the pool table.
Oh no, I ate my apple.
Yeah, there's only little plates.
Oh, you grabbed it.
Yeah, I
I have
think
one
so.
napkin, but I don't think it's gonna.
They're all dirty, so it's gonna be a squeeze.
Oh, look at
Oh.
Josh with our little server.
Oh,
Clean on the table.
Huh? Those are clean.
Where's the napkin?
Yeah, yeah.
where'd you have them? Oh,
I'll just transfer over here then
Oh,
instead.
no. I thought you said they've been clean.
Why not?
what did you say?
They've been clean. I was like, they're clean.
Yes,
They've been clean. I'm like, they're clean.
Okay.
How many people are eating this?
Oh my goodness, look how clear that is now.
Sounds like everybody, but
Josh,
Yeah.
and then whoever else.
Trying to figure out how
Where's
the
her
frick
mom?
they got so dirty in the first place.
insulting.
Are we sitting at this one?
Yeah, because Josh cleaned it for us.
Talk about it after.
Like the nice, beautiful human that he is.
Wow, it looks so
Thank you.
Watch yourself.
Was somebody straight eating that granola with a spoon? Is that what's going on?
No, she was blaming me because there was yogurt and granola down there. And she said I brought it out, but I didn't. She didn't believe me.
I don't know. The look on your face was very suspicious.
Trust me.
God
Okay.
for this
Watch yourself, girl.
that cooked the food.
It was me.
Amen.
I left it for.
I love that the backyard's open.
I left
That's
it for
frozen.
Hermes.
Where'd you get one?
There's a whole bag.
Oh,
there.
there's